Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, if you're wondering what's happening here, we're about to make Guinness Punch. I'm about to show you the quickest way to make a minimalist Guinness Punch. And I say minimalist because we don't have vanilla extract and we don't have nourishment. So we're going to be making Guinness Punch without those two things. So this is, and I'm calling it Minimalist Guinness Punch. Yeah. The catch is, I've never made one. So I'll be taking instructions from my chef who is behind camera, and she'll be telling me what to put, when to put, how to put. So yes, let's start. I have the milk, the Guinness stout, Irish cream, what's Bailey's? Bailey's is Irish cream. Except you want, did Bailey's pay you? Which one? Irish cream.
Yeah, you don't always have to.
So you don't always have to use Irish cream. You can use coconut milk. I don't know, no, sorry. So yeah, so we have the milk, regular milk. You can use skimmed, semi-skimmed, or full cream. There's the Guinness itself. There's the Irish cream, which sometimes you might not necessarily use, but yeah, if you want the full minimalist, this is minimalist Guinness Punch, you need Irish cream. I've got ground nutmeg and condensed milk. So yes, so which one goes first? Oh yes, sorry, don't forget cinnamon. Well, obviously, I'm not using all of this, just a pinch of cinnamon powder to put in there to give it that, you know, cinnamon feel.
Guinness.
You can talk. I've introduced you that you are behind camera.
I hate the Guinness.
Eh?
Who's the Guinness?
For what?
Put it first.
Oh, okay, great. So Guinness goes, is this an opener? Yes. The Guinness goes first. I see that smoke. For those of you that you drink, you know that there's a particular way for you to pour a stout so that it doesn't give you lava, like a volcano. Sorry. Anyways, you tilt the container that's receiving the content. You tilt and then you pour. If you pour it otherwise, you would have Guinness and the rest of it just be foam. Lather. Anyways, tilt and then you pour. I see that we're still getting foam. So imagine the level of foam that you would have gotten if you didn't tilt. Remember, tilt container. You want to get every little drop of it. If not, it won't be Guinness Punch. Sorry. So that's the Guinness. And what goes next is milk. Milk goes next. But considering that the Guinness that we had was, what's the volume of it? This is 45 cl. Yes, 45 cl. So we wouldn't be using this whole 1 liter milk. We'll be using some of it. So you tell me when to stop. Do I need to tilt container? Tilt container as well.
You tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pour milk for 5 seconds. Provided you are using 45 cl Guinness. Can you see? Hell! Okay. I don't know if you guys can see what's going on here. Can you see? Hell! Sorry. What's next? The Baileys. I'm sorry. Baileys, I'm sorry. This is not Baileys. It's Phoenix. Irish cream. So you open this, but there's a way to open Irish cream. You shake it 3 times. So because that we poured milk for 5 seconds, we also pour this for 5 seconds. So remember, tilt. What? Too much. Because the point is Guinness Punch. We'll get drunk. Yes. Tilt your container and then you pour 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. She said I should stop. 4, 5. 4, 5. That's that. Condensed milk. Are we pouring all of it? How do they use this thing? Okay. What? Alright. For those of you that know how to use it, I don't know. Yeah. Sorry, it's the other way around. That's it. And then you twirl. Oh, I shouldn't be opening it like this. I started anyway, so we'll continue. There we go. Open. Careful because it can cut you. This is my favorite part of Guinness Punch. Yeah. There we go. Alright, great. I don't know if you guys can see what's going on here, but look at that. I don't know what that is though. Hey, alright. So 5 seconds as well. You don't need to tilt this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. If you want to make sure that you get, you don't want a drip, this is the best way to do it. Best way to do it. Now, what's left is the ground nutmeg and cinnamon powder. Remember, I've never done this before. Sorry, I promise I'm never this clumsy. So you need a pinch of this, but since we're not using a pinch, so look at that. Can you see? 1, 2. What you can do is just 2 pinches, 2 pours, 2 dusts. The dust, let's call it dust. 2 dusts. Then you taste it after to see if you want some more. You can always add this even at the end. Even when you pour it on in your glass, you can make it like chocolate sprinkle with the ground nutmeg. Now, cinnamon powder. I'm going to pour everything. I personally like cinnamon, so I'll be putting quite a lot. A few dusts of cinnamon powder. 1. My instructor said I should stop. Great, so now we have this. What we will do now is we will blend. But the problem is there's no light because we are coming to you live from Lagos, Nigeria. And if you're familiar with the country Nigeria, you know that not having light is our second name. So there's no light. So that's part of the reasons why I said Minimalist Guinness Punch, because you will mix it but you cannot blend it because there's no electricity. Minimalist Guinness Punch.